Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Sumit Ashok Alkunde from I Division, and this is our group's phone book application C project report, and our guide name is Professor Poonam Pokati. The names of candidates in our group is Sumit Ashok Alkunde, Rajalakshmi Sunil Petkar, Ashlesh Rahul Ransingh, Pranav Virendra Deshpande, Adnan Irshad Khan, and Abhay Ramesh Kumar Sen. So this is our index. The first topic in our index is introduction. The second is aim to the project. The third is advantages and disadvantages. The fourth is software and hardware details. The fifth one is design. The sixth one is modules. The seventh one is implementation. The eighth one is abstract. The ninth one is summary, and the 10th and the last one is conclusion. So let's see the first topic, introduction. Phone book is a very simple mini project in C that can help you understand the basic concepts of functions, file handling and data structure. This application will teach you how to add, list, modify or edit, search and delete data from the file, adding new records, listening them, modifying them and updating, search for context, save and deleting the phone book records are the basic functions which make up the main menu of this phone book application. Personal information such as name, gender, phone number, email and address are asked while adding a record into the phone book. Their records can then be modified, listened, searched for and removed. I have used many functions in this mini project. These functions are easy to understand as their name only signifies their respective operations. So let's move on to our second topic. The name of the second topic is aim of the project. To develop an phone book contact application using C programming. This program is very useful nowadays to store complete information under single contact number. This program also has options to deletion and modification of the entered contact number. So our third topic is advantages and disadvantages. It becomes easy for the user to store complete information. Example, email address about his contact. It is easy for the user to just search his required contact number by typing name of the contact. Sometimes it becomes difficult to store more contacts over 150. It becomes even difficult to store contacts with 2 or more contact numbers. So our fourth topic is software and hardware details. The phone book application is coded and made using the following compilers. This application size is 33 and the size of the code is 5 KB. And now the fifth topic, design. The present program consists of the following modules: preprocessor commands, structures, functions, variables, statements and expressions. Sixth topic, Module 1, header files. Module 2, declaring structure and functions. Module 3, main functions. This function displays the user to select his choice operation. Module 4, adding context. This module is used for inputting contact details. Module 5, list record. This part is to show up the saved contact list. Module 6, searching record. This process lets the user to give in a name to get contact number of the searched contact. Module 7 Deleting Record. This option deletes the added contact details. Module 8 Modifying Contact. This option is used to update or change the details of the contact. So now the 7th topic, example for implementations. The home screen that is displayed by the program is shown below. So now the 8th topic, abstract. The phone book application works specifically for tracking people. The phone book application contains a set of basic functions for adding, searching, updating and deleting new contacts. The mini SIP phone book designs allows you to perform simple tasks in your phone book, such as mobile phone. You can add text to the phone book, find, edit, search and delete. The concept of file management and data structure is often used in almost all functions in this project. It uses functions, file management and data structure. This application provides information on adding, reviewing, modifying, receiving and deleting data from or to files, adding new entires, browsing them, editing and updating, searching for saved contacts and deleting contacts in the phone book is one of the most important services that
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.